When you search for the best can opener, everything looks the same. Same shapes, same claims, and same shiny photos. But to truly find what works and what doesn't, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, OttStar Jar Opener. The OttStar Jar Opener caught my eye right away with its bright blue and gray design and its affordable price of just $9.71. If you want a simple solution for opening stubborn jars and cans, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The OttStar Jar Opener is a 6-in-1 tool designed to help anyone, especially seniors or those with arthritis, easily open jars and bottles. It features 8 different circular openings to accommodate lids ranging from 1 to 3 inches in diameter. The long handle offers leverage, and the rubber lining provides a firm grip even on tight lids. It's like having a helping hand in the kitchen. With over 10,000 sold in just the last month, it's clear people are turning to this for convenience. Now, some people complained about the need for some strength to grip the lids firmly. Here's the thing though, while it may slip if not held tightly, it's still incredibly useful for those who struggle with traditional openers. If you can manage a decent grip, this opens up a world of ease in your kitchen. This is perfect for you if you're someone who has weak hands or struggles with arthritis. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional can opener. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the need for grip strength bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its electric features. Product number 2, Cuisinart Deluxe Electric Can Opener. Next up is the Cuisinart Deluxe Electric Can Opener, priced at $37.85. It looks sleek and black and caught my attention with its simple design and automatic features. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to open cans, this is definitely worth considering. The sharp cutting blade and single-touch operation make it incredibly easy to use. You just place the can underneath, press a button, and let it do the work for you. The non-slip base ensures it stays put while in use, so you don't have to worry about it tipping over. Plus, the detachable lever allows for easy cleaning, which is a huge plus in any busy kitchen. With a 3-year limited warranty, you know you're getting a quality product that's built to last. However, some users mention that it can be a bit noisy during operation. But honestly, for an electric opener that saves time and effort, I think that's a minor downside. If noise is a deal breaker for you, this might not be your best option. This is perfect if you want a reliable electric opener that requires zero effort on your part. Skip this one if you prefer manual operation or dislike gadgets. It's a great investment for the convenience it brings. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better if you want something versatile. Product number 3, Bella Electric Can Opener. The Bella Electric Can Opener caught my eye next, and at $22.26, it's a great mid-range option. This one not only opens cans but also sharpens knives, making it a 2-in-1 tool that's hard to resist. If convenience is your priority, you should give this one a look. This electric can opener operates with a 60-watt motor and durable stainless steel blade, effortlessly opening all can sizes, from small tuna cans to larger tomato jars. The one-touch operation is a game changer, allowing you to open cans without any wrestling matches. Plus, it offers convenient storage with its cord management feature, which keeps your countertop neat. With its stylish design available in various colors, it's an attractive addition to any kitchen. However, some users found the auto-turn feature to be inconsistent at times, which can be frustrating. But here's the thing. If you're looking for an efficient can opener that saves space and doubles as a knife sharpener, this is still a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if you enjoy multifunctional kitchen gadgets. Skip this one if you want a can opener that's solely focused on can opening without any extras. It offers great value for money given its dual functionality. Now, if you need something designed specifically for easy use, the next product might be just what you're after. Product number 4, One Touch Electric Can Opener. Next, we have the One Touch Electric Can Opener for $26.53. I love the modern look of this one, and it's specifically designed for those who may have difficulty with traditional openers. If ease of use is what you're after, this is definitely worth checking out. This can opener is all about simplicity with its one-touch control, perfect for anyone dealing with arthritis or joint pain. It fits almost all can sizes, thanks to its durable stainless steel design, and it cuts cleanly for smooth edges, reducing the risk of scratches. The ability to operate with minimal effort while providing stable assistance makes it a great tool for daily cooking. Some users reported that it can be a bit slow compared to manual openers, which might be a downside if you're in a hurry. But I'll be real with you, the ease it offers for those with hand issues outweighs the speed concern. This is perfect for you if you want a safe and easy option for opening cans without straining your hands. Skip this if you need something that's quick and efficient for a busy kitchen. It's a valuable tool for those who need it most. Alright, if you want a reliable model with some extra features, the last one on our list might just be what you need. Product number 5, Hamilton Beach Electric Can Opener. Finally, we have the Hamilton Beach Electric Can Opener, also priced at $37.85. I love the extra tall design in red. It stands out in any kitchen. If you want something that can tackle a variety of can sizes effortlessly, this one is for you. The shortcut technology ensures that it opens cans the first time, every time, which saves you from those frustrating moments. It works with both small and tall cans, making it versatile for any cooking needs. The automatic shutoff frees your hands for other tasks, and the built-in knife sharpener adds even more value. Plus, the removable cutting unit makes cleanup a breeze. A few users mentioned that the design could be a bit bulky for small kitchens. But honestly, if you're looking for a reliable can opener that offers multiple features, the size shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an efficient and reliable electric can opener that handles various sizes. Skip this if counter space is your biggest concern. It's worth the investment for the convenience it brings to meal prep. So there you have it. We've covered the OttStar jar opener for its simplicity, the Cuisinart Deluxe for its automatic ease, the Bella for its versatility, the One Touch for its user-friendly design, and the Hamilton Beach for its extra features. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but all can make your kitchen life a bit easier. Choose the one that best fits your needs, and happy cooking.